The 2026 Aprilia RS 660 factory is proof that you don't need a massive engine to experience world-class performance. From the moment you see it, the bike stands out with its sharp Italian styling, aerodynamic bodywork, and race-inspired design. Every panel flows naturally into the next, giving the motorcycle a sleek and aggressive appearance. The signature triple LED headlight, sculpted fuel tank, lightweight aluminum frame, and premium factory graphics immediately separate it from ordinary middleweight sport bikes. It looks fast even when standing still, and that's exactly the kind of feeling riders expect from Aprilia. Whether it's parked at a local bike meet or carving through mountain roads, the RS 660 factory demands attention everywhere it goes. Fire up the parallel twin engine, and the motorcycle instantly delivers a smooth but energetic personality. The exhaust note has a sporty character without becoming overwhelming, while the throttle feels responsive from the very first twist. Around town, the power delivery is refined and easy to manage, making daily riding surprisingly enjoyable. But once the road opens up, the RS 660 factory comes alive with strong acceleration and a willingness to rev that keeps every ride exciting. It offers the perfect balance between usable street performance and track-inspired excitement, making it one of the most versatile sport bikes in its class. Riders who enjoy twisty back roads will especially appreciate how effortlessly the engine pulls through every gear. Where the 2026 Aprilia RS 660 factory truly shines is in its handling. The lightweight chassis makes the motorcycle feel incredibly agile, allowing quick direction changes with almost no effort. The upgraded fully adjustable Öhlins suspension gives the bike outstanding stability while still providing enough comfort for everyday riding. Every corner feels smooth, predictable, and confidence-inspiring, while the premium Brembo braking system delivers powerful stopping performance with excellent feedback. Even during aggressive riding, the bike remains composed and planted, encouraging riders to push their limits with confidence. Whether you're commuting through city streets or spending the weekend on your favorite canyon road, the RS 660 factory always feels balanced and precise. Technology is another major highlight. Aprilia equips the bike with advanced rider aids including multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, engine braking adjustment, cornering ABS, cruise control, and a bright full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity. These electronic systems work seamlessly in the background, giving riders extra confidence without taking away the excitement of riding. The quick shifter delivers smooth, clutchless gear changes, making acceleration even more enjoyable and keeping the riding experience effortlessly sporty. Overall, the 2026 Aprilia RS 660 factory is one of the most complete middleweight sport motorcycles available today. It combines stunning Italian design, responsive performance, premium suspension, advanced electronics, and everyday comfort into one exciting package. For riders in the United States looking for a motorcycle that feels equally at home on city streets, winding highways, and occasional track days, the RS 660 factory delivers an experience that is both thrilling and refined. It isn't simply built to go fast, it is designed to make every ride feel special, proving that true performance is about confidence, precision, and enjoying every mile on the road.